Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do a quick video today. This Toro 6.5 with it comes a motor on it. The customer does not use the electric start anymore, so yeah, you got a couple pounds here, and then also you have the battery, some wiring. So I figured, I reached out to him. Do you want to get rid of the extra weight there? And he said, yeah, sure. I don't use it anyway. The problem is, these batteries, if don't keep up on them, you don't charge them all the time, within a year or two, they go bad, and then you're throwing $20-$30 of batteries at them every year. So this thing starts pretty easy, so his kid uses it. It's not like a little old lady that has to use the electric start anyway. So I figured I'll save him about 15-20 pounds, and we will go through all this. So I just want to do a quick video about how to get rid of it if you're in that situation. And we'll start right here. The first thing I did already was I took these 4 1/4-inch bolts off at the top here for the cowling. Then you have to take the oil dipstick off. This thing needs a service. I'll just hang that out of the way. Now there's 2 3/8 bolts on the sides here. Don't lose those, and your starter will fall off. I'll plug the starter. There's the starter. If you're ever having a no spark situation, this switch, there's 2 switches here. One is there, and then there's one underneath here. So they both have to be making contact. Put those guys back in. Disconnect this wiring to the battery. We'll take the battery box off. Little tabs here on the side. There's your battery. That's your battery there. Just snip these cable ties. And there's your wiring harness. So probably another 5, 7, 8 pounds here. I'm already over 10 pounds. Some extra fuse there. And then there's 2 bolts underneath here, but we got to get this gas tank out of the way. And those are 5/8 bolts. And it's out of the way. So now that I got the air box out of the way, I just remembered I don't need this wiring. So I'm going to remove it. I'll take the ground off there. And then the power wire here. A little wire tie. So we also do not need that. So what I'm going to do is, this doesn't have any gas in it. I'm going to put a little carb cleaner in there just to check that I still have spark, that everything's connected like it's supposed to be. All right, so that'll confirm that I still have spark. And now I don't have the wiring here. I don't have the battery box, the cable going up. There is one part yet that I am going to leave on. There's one part I'm going to leave on, is the starter key here, because the bracket that holds this together, it's easier to just leave it on than to replace the this plastic piece for this. So I'm just going to leave that on because that helps with the self drive. So that's all it is to it. I can put this back on. There's a little bracket here. I'm just going to put the gas tank back on, but I can take this bracket off. You just got to put this screw back on because it helps with the cowling underneath, holding on the plastic underneath. But other than that, that's all there is to it. Save a bunch of space, bunch of weight, easier to maneuver, turn it, whatever. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and follow me for more. Thanks.